Hello everyone, welcome back to my art maker channel in YouTube. I'm Judge Chen in Hong Kong. Last time I showed you how to make a bracelet for the Mother's Day. We use a single string, but it's not stable enough. And this time I will show you how to make a stable bracelet. And this one I will show you how to use the 2 cords, and this will be used 4 cords. Okay, just follow my camera. I will show you how to make a more nice bracelet for the Mother's Day. Let's go. So this time I want to show you how to make 2 cords string for the bracelet. And this is for the single cord elastic string, is not stable. And this for 2 cords, and this for 4 cords, stable. So in order to show you, I want to damage. First, we get the elastic string around more than 30 cm, and we make it like this. We fold it, and make it like this. So this is the needle. Put the needle in here, and we get the bead. We threw in the bead. And this time we want to use a more special. This is a Sutra, half Sutra in Chinese. So I want to make a silver flower, and the Sutra bead here. Make it like this. It's fixed. And another side of the silver flower. You see? This is blue, silver, and this is red. I would rather make it red, yellow, blue, green, white. Okay. We select the red. Green and white and green again. Then it's yellow again. Then it's white again. Green again. Actually, you can tie it like this, but this time I will show you not like this. I will show you this go inside this circle. May all the bead comes to the circle. Okay. We tie it one time. Two times. And three times. Okay, double check. Okay, it's fit. Nice. This is the bracelet with heart sutra with silver flower. Okay, we cut the tail. And here we had to hide the knot. Hide the knot into the bead hold. You see? Just try it on. Looks nice. Okay, now I want to show you with 4 crows. I want to damage this one. So I get the elastic string. Take 40 cm long. 40 cm long. It made 4 times. And we cut the tail. See? This with two circles. This is the end. Then this is one circle. So we need a needle. Through the bead into the hole. Through the needle into the bead. And this time I want to make something different for the normal one. So I want to add some special bead in the middle, just like this. this one I made the heart sutra. So for our Chinese people, we love the good meaning since this is called Chai Shen, Gong Hei Fat Choi. Chai Shen is a god who in charge of money. So I think most of people they like the money. So you should own one, the god who in charge of money. So I would like to put it here. So I want to separate this god, the Chai Shen, to here. So I want to add 2 white beads, so it make it separate for the other color. So as you see, then it's white. Looks really nice. Okay. Okay. So we tie it. I made these 2 tail to cross these 2 circles. You see, these 2 circles crossing. And make all the bead towards these 2 circles. Okay, so it's closed. So it's the time to make the knot. We tie it. We tie it 1 time. Two times. And 3rd time. Then we will cut it. You see? So, and we had to try to hide this needle. See? Nobody can see the knot. You see? These two bracelets, this one with heart sutra, and this one with Chai Shen, the god who in charge of money. So this must the most special gift for the Mother's Day. So you should make it one. I'm sure your mother will be happy with this gift. So guys, I already made these two bracelets for the Mother's Day. Very nice. I call this one is Sutra bracelet. I call this one is Chai Shen bracelet. These two are the special gift for the Mother's Day. You should make one of these for your Mother's Day. Just take action. I can do it. You can do it. That's all of today, guys. If you like my video, please give me a like and subscribe my channel. I'm Jack Chan in Hong Kong. So see you next time. Bye bye.